Hey, what's going on? It's Brad here from GigaPress, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly save a little bit of money as you're signing up for web hosting from Bluehost. This is going to be an additional discount on top of the standard introductory discount that they always offer to new customers. Now, you can start by clicking the link in the description. That's our affiliate link. I'd really appreciate if you'd use that, especially if this video helps you out. And what that link is going to do is pop you over to Bluehost with the standard discount applied. And then I'm going to show you how to reduce that price even more. So once you're on the Bluehost site, go ahead and navigate to whatever hosting package you're looking to sign up for. I'm going to go to the WordPress hosting page, but this works on other packages as well. Now from here, just select the specific plan that you want. For this example, I'm going to choose Plus, and you'll notice it's currently priced at $545 per month, and free domain privacy is not included like it is with the Choice Plus plan. Once you select your plan, you can go ahead and create a domain or enter a domain that you already own. I'm just going to use a random domain here and click Next. And now we're on the checkout page. Notice that our billing options here are 12 months at $745 per month or 36 months at $545 per month. Here's how we can instantly reduce this. All you have to do is move your mouse up toward the upper right corner of the page as if you're just about to close the window and leave. When you do this, Bluehost is going to be like, wait, don't leave. And they're going to give you a little pop-up window with a better offer. They're trying to convince you to stay instead of going off to some other web hosting company. Now, this is going to look different depending on which plan you're signing up for, but in my case, they're offering me free domain privacy, which was not included before, and they're also dropping the price by an extra $1 per month. So if you click Claim Savings, the page is going to reload and you'll see that the 12-month plan is now $695 per month and the 36-month plan is now $495 per month. So I mean, that's $12 to $36 off your upfront investment right off the bat, and that's on top of the initial discount. Now, if we scroll down, you'll notice that they've also added domain privacy and protection for free. That's something that I always add anyway. So right there is another $12 or so off my initial investment. So for this particular plan, we've saved anywhere from $24 to $50 on top of the original discount, which is already 50% off the regular market price. So from here, you just continue creating your account. Of course, if you want, you can also remove those other package extras there to reduce the total cost a little more. But yeah, that's the idea. That's how you can get Bluehost to offer you a better deal when you're purchasing hosting. What exactly they offer you is going to vary a little bit depending on the service you're signing up for, but I have found that they have these offers for most of their hosting packages. Once again, if this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate if you'd use that link below to support the channel while also saving yourself some money. And as always, I'd love it if you'd hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress content.